Hello all, this is to show you how to set up Ventrilo for use on the DUI Clan website. Click on the web, go to the website and click on web links. And you'll see Ventrilo right there. Click on it. Click on the Ventrilo download. It'll open up a new window that will take you to the Ventrilo site. For most people, you're going to want to use this first one. For those that run a 64-bit system, you're going to want to run that one. Once it's done downloading, you can close those windows. You'll have a desktop icon. You'll double click it and run the installer. Once the installer's ran and you've started it up the first time, my information is already in here, but we're going to show you how to set it up for you. Out beside username, click the little arrow and it's going to create new and type in your name and tell it OK. Once that's done, you'll come back and you'll see your name in the user line. We're going to set up the server. Once you get to this, you're going to click on it, click new, and you'll get one screen that'll come up and you're going to type in DUI space clan. Tell it OK. It'll come back to this screen. Once this screen is up, you're going to type in the host IP of 74.86.76.224. Change the port number to 6882 and type in the password that you were assigned. Remove the check mark from this box. Allow others to record my conversation and click OK. Once you've done that, you will now have your username and the DUI client server here. Go ahead and click on connect. Once you're on the server, you can go ahead and click on setup, and typically you're going to have a couple of these boxes checked. We're going to need to remove a couple things, so remove this check mark first for use push to talk hotkey. Come down to where it says silence time. It's typically set at 60 seconds. Reduce that to a half a second. Once that's done, change this number from 60 to somewhere between 5 and 10. Make sure your codecs speaks format 32, 16, and 10. This really doesn't matter too much, so don't worry about it. Up on the top right, make sure there's a use direct sound check for both outbound and input devices, and default direct sound devices are selected. Hardware input mixer optional. The only line that you should have to worry about is the mixer line. Click on the little down arrow and make sure that your microphone is the one that gets highlighted, or headset, depending on what you're using. These should be on master line volume. The line volume is typically set to the center. I'm a little low, so I turn mine up. The amplifiers, increase the outbound to increase your mic's output to what the rest of the server is selecting, and inbound is what you hear. If you're having an issue with this, you can typically click on recording input and make sure the microphone is enabled. Once that's done, you can click OK. You do not need to change any other settings on that server. Remember to put where's it at? Okay, use direct input to detect hotkey. Click on that box, press your caps lock key one time, and then take the check mark back out, so that you should only have these two boxes checked. None of these other tabs get messed with, only the voice tab. Any problems with getting Ventrilo set up, contact Old Age through the forums, tech support help, and say Ventrilo help. That's the end of this video. Thank you.